Never stop, just move. Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Abdul Hamid. Welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I'll try to share very important topic which is communication skills. In communication, there include two words. One communication and another one is skills. What is communication? The transfer of information from one place to another place using some sort of medium is called communication. And what is skill? Skill means the ability to do something well. This is skills. On point of my view, the whole world depends on communication skills. So as a student, it's very important for all kind of the students. So we have to practice how we can improve our communication, how we can grab these skills. Stay with HAMID'S motive until finish. First step, active listening. Focus on understanding others before responding. Avoid interrupting and give your full concentration. Suppose you want to participate one workshop. In workshop, there includes various types of speakers. So when you participate, you have to listen the speaker talks with very attentive. And if you want, you can note down their talks, and every speaker try to give some message to the audience. So try to take this audience and always try to acquire knowledge and it's a very important skills to improve your communication skills. Active listening. And second step is feedback, and seek constant feedback from the others. Identify the areas for your improvement and use it as a tool to refine your communication skills, and really it will help you to improve your communication skills. Third step, practice public speaking. Practice public speaking is a great way of improving your personal development. It not only develop your personal development, it's interrelated with a vast types of development. Suppose you want to be a politician or you want to be a good student, you have to practice public speaking. When you practice public speaking, you have to deliver in front of people. It breaks your shyness, and when you practice, you can keep the proper eye contact with the public. So it will help you to improve your communication skills effective way. And fourth step, conflict resolution. It's unexpected things for everyone. Conflict can be arise between two or the more people in a workplace or in the personal relationship. When conflict arises in our personal way or in our workplace, we go through some mental problem. We couldn't give proper concentration in our workplace. So resolving conflict between two parties involves working together for a solution to a problem and the dispute. Conflict resolution is the ability to calmly or the rationally manage difficult personalities engaged in his disputes. So it will help you to increase your communication skills, and you will try to adapt these types of characteristics in our mind. Fifth and last one, always seeking knowledge. As the world saying, we know that knowledge is power. I am Muslim Ummah, so I want to describe this point on point of my religion. Since the first revelation from Allah the Mighty to our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the Holy Quran mentioned that significance of knowledge. So we always consider ourselves as a student. We can learn from small things. We always ready to take opportunity, and we always ready to seek knowledge from anywhere. It's no more today. Please subscribe my channel HAMID'S Motive. See you again with another video. Please give your valuable comment in my comment box. Allah Hafiz.